Hey, good morning. And we are ready for our second grade spelling test. The paper is in your Friday folder. Here's our spelling paper page, back to back. Okay. So you want to make sure that you have your spelling paper, you have your pencil, and we will get ready to start our spelling test. With our spelling test today, we will have some phonics sounds. So the first part of the test, I'm going to say a sound. You will need to write the letter that goes with that sound. Okay? Then we have 2 review words. These are 2 of those red words that we've been practicing that I'm going to see if you know how to spell. And then on the back side of our test, we have our 10 spelling words that I will say to you. And then we have a small dictation sentence that we're going to do today because we have enough things, enough letters, enough sounds that we could make a small dictation sentence. Okay? So here we go. Make sure you have your paper. Remember, you can always pause so that you can write down your word or your letter. Write down your sentence that way. You can always pause and then start back up. And then you'll hear the next one. Okay? So here we go. For our sounds, you are going to be writing right by the number 1, and you're going to go straight across. We have 4 sounds. There are 4 columns. 1 letter you write in each column all the way across row 1. Okay, here we go. Your first sound is mm, mm, mm. Okay, go on and write down the letter that goes with that sound. If you need to pause, go on and pause. Hey, the next sound, it will go in the second column. Okay, go in the second column at the top in that same row. The sound we have is S. 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 Go on and write that letter for that sound, please, in row 1, in that second column at the top. You can pause if you need to so that you can write that sound down. Okay, the next sound goes in the third column at the top in row 1. We're still writing right across in row 1. Oh, it's going to go right here in this one here. Okay? And this sound is ah, ah, ah. So go on and write that letter that goes with that sound in row 1 in the top of the third column. You may pause it if you need to. Okay, your next sound will go in the last column in the top of row 1, all the way over to here. Last column. And this sound is f. 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 Okay, you may pause so that you can write that down. Okay, now we're ready for our review spelling words. So you're going to write this word where it says star 1. Right down here. Star 1. Okay? You're going to write the word star 1 right next to that one. Here we go. The word, these are our red words, so you need to remember how we spelled them down our arm. The review word is the. 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 How do you spell the? You may pause so you can write that by star 1. Okay, now we're at star 2. Star 2 is another one of our red words that we practice going down our arms several times. Okay, these, you just can't sound them out. You just got to know how to spell these words. Our second review word that goes on star 2 on the front side is the word one, like the number 1. 1. 1. You may pause so you can go on and write that. Okay, flip your paper back over to the back side, and you will see that we have stars. We have stars all the way to the number 12. We're only using 10 of those, so please listen carefully. Okay, for star 1, your word is wet. 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 You may pause so that you may write that word. Okay, star 2, net, net, net. Write that by star 2. You may pause if you need to. Hey, star 3, job, job, job. Okay, star 4, hot, hot, hot. You can pause it if you need to. Star 5, hug, hug, hug. You may pause if you need to. Star 6, rest, rest, rest. You may pause if you need to. Hey, star 7, mud, mud, mud. You may pause it if you need to. Hey, star 8, help, help, help. So that is star 8. You may pause if you need to. And star 9, nut, nut, nut. That is star 9. And star 10, spot, spot, spot. Okay, that is star 10. Okay, I'm going to go over those words one more time so that you get them if you need them. Number 1, wet. Number 2, net. Number 3, job. Number 4, hot. Number 5, hug. Number 6, rest. Number 7, mud. Number 8, help. Number 9, nut. Number 10, spot. Okay, we are ready now for our dictation sentence. That is the 2 lines down at the bottom of your page. Okay, so when you write your dictation sentence, you need to write the words that you hear me say. Every sentence starts with a capital letter. Okay, let me show you that poster. Every sentence starts with a capital letter. That's my mountain. That's my mountain right here. Oh, right. Here's my mountain. Here's my mountain. Capital letter. Capital letters are big. So every sentence starts with that capital letter. Every sentence ends with a stop. In this case, we're going to have a period, just a dot at the end. Okay? And then this is our complete thought. Our complete thought goes from our capital letter to our stop. Make sure that you use some kind of a finger space. Separate those words, not the letters, but the words with a finger or a pencil so that I can see the 2 words that you're going to have to write. Okay, so here is our sentence. I'm going to say it one time. Okay? Sam's fam. Okay, listen to it again. Sam's fam. We have the word Sam's fam. 2 words. Make sure you have a capital and you have a period. Go on and write that on the line. Sam's fam. Okay, and that ends our spelling test for today. Please make sure your name is on that paper. Please make sure that it gets back into the Friday folder. I will be back in just a little bit with our reading test.